Frosoleton, Father of peace, you carry light to every soul. With gentle words and faithful heart, you lead God's children home. Your prayers heal the broken heart. Your smile brings hope each day. God's grace is shining through your life to guide us on. Share my